Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find General Settings. Then let's scroll down again to localize this backup option, and as you can see it is connected with the Google, so let's tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then choose who's going to use this device. So basically right now we are adding the account to the device. Here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and then tap on Next. Right here we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the information about the backup, so basically we can choose what we want to backup. So photos and videos, other device data like contacts, call history, apps and apps data, or both. It's up to you. I will choose only this one and tap on Confirm. Then tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Right here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.